YouTube, it's Josh with Chase the Ride. Today we're doing a quick install of some additional brake and turn signal lighting on Jeremiah's bike. Pretty simple setup. He actually tows a trailer, so this is actually just adding an additional set of LEDs that normally run the back tailgate of a truck. This should give him additional turn signal functionality and also braking. We all know it never hurts to have additional lighting and to be seen. Setup will just simply be plugging into his current trailer wiring harness. Just in case anyone's wondering, we are COVID safe. We're 6 feet apart. 6 feet apart. Staying COVID safe.
How many zips does it take to get to the middle of a bike?
One thing I don't like about this install is as we wrap around the bike here, you'll see where it transfers through the frame there. Just don't like the look of it overall. However, the end results are quite amazing, especially for the price. You can see the yellow light. As we get to the side, you'll see a little bit of tracking on that turn signal. Let's go ahead and switch over to the left now. Barely see a little tracking there. As we come around to the front though, you definitely see that it tracks from front to the back, which is also sort of a cool aspect. I said during the install I really didn't care for the side there as it came through the frame. However, if you look at the light that that's putting off and what a car beside you would see if they happen to look over, that's if the idiots happen to look over sitting there in their cage. Gives off a ton of light. We're doing a brake light test. Notice first of all he has a number of LEDs on the back already, and when he pushes those brakes, get a good flash out of them, and then that ground is just glowing bright red. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, do me a huge favor, as the channel grows, subscribe. We're putting out at least 2 videos a week right now, so check back in with us regularly. Actually, hit that bell icon. That'll give you notifications when the next video is available. And until next time, keep the shiny side up and chase the ride. Have a safe ride home.
Yeah, thanks, Josh.
Thanks. Oh, yeah. Hey, stop that! Hey!